Finally, what you all been waiting for. The bike check. The bike check, y'all. The bike check, y'all. We get set up here. That looks good. You already know what it is, Lost Boys. Yo, if you guys want shirts, hit up my boy, Lost Boys, on Instagram. I'll leave his Instagram in the description. T-shirts, hoodies, joggers, all that. Whatever you want. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take all the bikes down so we can get this thing started. Yay! So we're gonna start with my bike first. My bikes first. So Start from the top. Grips, Savage grips with the Shadow Conspiracy grip extension. You already know. These are Broke Boys 8-inch bars. Got the red SE stem. Tires, SE tires, 29s, black and tans. Then we got the twisted spokes. Felix Bike Shop, if you want to get your twisted spokes. Twisties. Then we got the landing gear forks, landing gear sticker kit from Ride Out Supply. This is reflective sticker kit. Then you got the SC pad set, Shadow Conspiracy red chain, stock cranks, Shadow pedals, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, SC sprocket, SC seat, SC clamp, Tektro brakes, stock. Then I put the red pegs on there, Willy pegs, red chain tensioners, tops, valve stem covers, and that's my City Grounds Big Ripper. That's my bike. This is my second bike, Monster Quad. Tektro hydraulic brakes, stock, Shadow grips. Gotta have the Shadow grips. I love my Shadow grips. Then I went and got some 7-inch big honking bars, stock stem, Monster Quad, landing gear forks. I got the twisties on this one too, Felix Bike Shop. And I threw on some tan and black 2.8 tires. Comes with all black tires, threw on the tans. Don't forget the profile hubs. Yes, sir. The last bike had a Ride Out Supply 16 tooth freewheel. Ride Out Supply. Also, Ride Out Supply sticker kit. The Monster is what I named this one. Got my little bike bag. Has a tube, wrench, everything you need to change a tire. Gotta have that. Don't get stranded out there, boys and girls. Then I got the Velo orange seat post. See how it's set back? That's the Velo orange, VELO. Got out a Brooks seat. This is my ride out bike, guys. This is what I take to the ride outs a lot because it's very, very, very comfortable. So then I got this is a cheap sprocket or a chain ring, cheap chain ring. It's blue, matches the bike. It's called Deckas, Amazon, DECKAS. So Profile does not make a 20 tooth cog for this bike, so I had to put an 18 on the rear. And then this chain ring was a 39. I changed it to a 36, so it's a 36 18, which makes it very nice. Kind of brings it right back to stock. Then I got the Snafu Anorexic Pro pedals. Snafu Pros with the stock cranks. Beautiful crank. Beautiful. And this is the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. I already told you about the twisties. I put the blue Willy pegs on there and some chrome chain tensioners. Probably gonna get some blue ones if they make them. Not sure if they make them or not. But that is my second bike, Monster Quad. This is my third and final bike, This is a Dart Crew e-bike. Yes, it's electric. This bike is mainly for when I gotta take my daughter to a ride out and I don't like the, well, it's not exactly safe for her to ride her own bike. So me and her will ride this. This is the e-bike. So start off with my chicken. I named him Chicken. I call him Chicken. His name is Chicken. Okay, Chicken. That's Five Below. If you guys want one, Five Below. What else? Oh, I threw on some Maxxis tires, which I don't know. I went into some dirt yesterday, and I think I should put my other tires back on. The other tires that came on this bike, they're more of a dirt bike kind of tire. They have like big knobs and stuff, and these are more smooth, like for street. But I go everywhere on this bike, like in the dirt, street. I might just put those back on and take these off, because these are not made for freaking dirt. These are the pegs for Maya. I bought these off of Amazon. They're a fork peg, so when she's sitting on the front, she could rest her feet right there, because she used to rest her feet just hanging. So now she can rest them on there, and it's all good. She loves those pegs. Front light that came with the bike. I got my speaker right there. Gotta have some tunes. That's a Boom 3 speaker. Comes with like regular Tektro brakes, same as like on the big rippers and stuff. What else? All the controls are right here. Pretty cool. It's a nice bike for the price. The bike was like 1,500 bucks. That's a freaking deal for what it does. It goes everywhere. Do whatever you want. Got my cell phone holder, chain for when I go places and I gotta lock it up. The battery comes off. If you got to charge your battery, you could take it in the house, whatever. You don't have to take the whole bike. You just take off the battery, and that's it. Plug it up in your kitchen on the kitchen sink. OM Flyer SC sticker kit. A lot of people get confused when they see this bike. They're like, "Oh, that's an OM?" Like, no, it's not an OM. It's an e-bike. But I love it. That's what I love about this bike. Kind of looks like a BMX bike. When you're riding it, the battery's covered, so people kind of like think, hey, that's a cool BMX bike. But we got, sorry, let me move this real quick. We got the SE stem, so people still, you know, like, damn, SE stem, SE sticker kit. Is that an SE bike? An SE electric bike? No, it's not. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this. I had a lot of people fooled for a minute, you know? But anyway, I threw on some GT bars. I'm not exactly sure what make they are, but they are a 4-piece GT bar. Chromoly. They're nice because the bars that come on this bike are very short and they're black, so I wanted to throw some chromes on there. Black Ops pedals, some Black Ops pedals. Threw on another Shadow Conspiracy chain. That's my my main chains that I get is Shadow Conspiracy. SE bike sticker that gives you about 3 horsepower when you add these on each side. I threw on the wheelie pegs, SE wheelie pegs, lots of SE stuff. Ride Out Supply freewheel, Ride Out Supply freewheel. And these are my lights. Got little Christmas lights on here. Gotta have those at nighttime for those night rides. And these are my ropes. These are tow ropes, so if someone gets tired, I unhook these. They can grab them, they can hold on, and I can bring them to the front of the pack. And that's pretty much it about this one. This is my third bike. I only have 3 bikes. A lot of people say, damn, George, how many bikes you got? Bro, I have 2 wheelie bikes and 1 electric bike. That's it. That's all I got. Those are my bikes. Chelsea's bikes, they're up next. SE Floval Flyer, 24-inch. This is one of Chel's bikes, as you can see, pink. I don't know what kind of grips these are, peoples. Haro grips. I don't even think. Okay, Haro grips. We got the spoke skin pink over the brake line. We got spoke skins pink, and we got a white reflective ride out supply rim sticker kit on there. Didn't do too much to this bike. This is like one of the first bikes Chelsea was racing on. About a year ago, she would race this 24-inch cruiser. We even threw a sprocket on there. I think it's a 39 tooth sprocket, SE sprocket. It used to be our old Instagram name, G and Chel Flyers. And we got the cool stops on there. She was whipping people's butts with this bike. She should just use this. 24-inch pinks, SE tires, Floval Flyer seat. And that's one of Chel's bikes right there. Another one of Chel's bikes. Bike number 2 for her. This is a SE Bikes Blox Flyer. This used to be the yellow and black Blox Flyer, but I threw on the 26-inch SE tires, ride out supply cloud kit, ride out supply reflective spoke skin covers. Then we got falling gear sticker kit, because Chelsea has issues when we go to ride outs. She likes to fall, so that's her sticker kit. Falling gear, ride out supply sticker kit, SE stem stock, SE brakes stock. Then we got the brake lever skin. Those are real nice. They feel real good. You guys should get them, and they're cheap. Amazon. Then she got the Blox Flyer seat, SE seat, shadow chain, of course. That's all I run. Shadow chain. Thermal light pedals, pink pedals. She used to ride the crap out of this bike. Ride out supply freewheel. Gotta have the ride out supply freewheel. Grips, shadow grips, shadow conspiracy grips. Another one of Chel's bikes. Bike number 3, Chel's bike. Chel's Beast Mode, SE Bikes Beast Mode, pinked out. I didn't think that the pink would pop at first, but she was like, I want pink, I want, you know, Chel loves her pink. Shadow Conspiracy grips, brake skin, SE Racing pink and green Rideout Supply sticker kit. All my stickers come from Rideout Supply. She's got the falling gear sticker kit, pink spoke skins. They are reflective, Rideout Supply. Stock V tires, beast mode. Beast mode. Check out the details on the sticker kit. Pink and green. Pretty sick. Got that action. Stock stem, stock brakes, stock seat. This bike's pretty much all stock except for the sticker kit. And the half-link shadow chain, gold. Odyssey pedals, pink. Chrome cranks. Got the gold wheelie pegs, gold chain tensioners. Same thing in the back with the skins. Beast mode clamp. Everything's pretty much original on this bike besides the pedals and the sticker kit. Also comes with the 4-piece Oakland bars. Comes with those bad boys. And that's another one of Chill's bikes. Bike number 4. Chill's bike. At first, I built this little 20-inch for me, and I don't know, man, just me on 20-inch bikes, it just feels sketchy to me, because I like to do wheelies, I like to jump stuff, and it's just, I don't know, 20s is just not for me. But this is Chill's bike. These are PK Ripper 20-inch or 8-inch bars, straight off of her PK Ripper. You got the Stranger oil slick stem. You got the Snafu brake lever. You got, I can't read that, but I don't know. Those are some nice grips anyway. You got the Merit tennis balls in there. Got the oil slick valve stem cover. You got purple, what tires are these? These are the purple Primos, purple and black that I put on here. And this is the Wildman SE 20-inch BMX bike. Snafu pedals. Shadow Conspiracy oil slick chain. I ended up buying purple cranks for this bike. Not exactly sure. They're called Transit cranks. We got the Colony seat post with the Snafu seat, pivotal seat, oil slick pegs. I could not find those oil slick pegs. I had to buy them from like the United Kingdom or something, and they were like 60 bucks. Yeah, here's the Primo tires, and then we got some purple chain tensioners, something motorsport, something motor, I don't know what this is. Moto King chain tensioners. Then you got the upgraded brakes, the clear ones. I don't know what kind they are, but yeah, that's another one of Chill's bikes. 20-inch Wildman. And the oil slick head badge. Bought that off of a guy off of Instagram, one of the riders that he makes them. Forgot his name, but yeah. And that's 20-inch. Bike number 5. Bike number 5. clean. I love this bike. I love this bike. This is Chel's Blox Flyer. Vans edition. Tektro brakes. She's got the Menifee Bikes vodka cup. Got the diced valve stems covers. Got the Vans tires, black and white spokes. This bike is just clean. It's just clean. You don't have to do nothing to this bike. Nothing. Came with the pad set. Still got the warning sticker on there. SE Bike seat clamp, seat post, van seat. One of a kind, y'all. One of a kind. I might change the chain to a half link. It's got the SE sprocket, stock pedals, stock cranks, stock wheelie pegs. Gotta have the reflectors on this bike. I didn't take anything off of this bike. It's completely stock. Her little phone holder. Gotta have her little phone holder on there. But yeah, that's the Vans Blox Flyer, my friends. It's a badass bike, man. Badass bike. Bike number 6. Chel's bike. Chel's race bike. She puts in major work on this bike, people. Major work. Major work. Floval Flyer. 24-inch SE, her race bike. You got the Answer carbon forks. Profile hubs. I threw on Tioga Power Block tires. 24.175. Alienation rims. Box 1. 31.8 millimeter stem. This is the oversized stem with the oversized bars. They're really fat. They're really fat right here. She got the box cranks. Box 2 cranks. Hollow. I actually have a sprocket that I'm putting on here that I have in the garage. A box 2 sprocket. BMX Innovations. SE chain tensioners. Profile rear hub. Promax brakes. SE pivotal seat. And it also has the box bottom bracket also. Answer grips. Oh boy, here goes my neighbor. Tangent number plate. It's one badass bike. It's Chel's. Here's Chel's newest addition. The front wheel is getting a profile hub put on today. The front 20 millimeter hub was back ordered, so that's why there's just a profile in the back, but the front's not done. Hopefully it'll be done today. But here we go. Box 1 grips, box handlebars. These are the oversized handlebars again, 31.8s with the oversized stem. Look at the big ass stem. Look at how big that thing is. Box stem. Answer carbon forks, if I haven't said that already. And this is the PK Ripper 20-inch. She loves this bike too. Got the box 2 chainring. I believe it's a 39. Hollow box cranks. Hollowed out. You can see. Got the Shadow Conspiracy race chain. This is the race version. It's a little bit lighter. SE seat, pivotal seat, seat post, clamp, Super Elite. This is the Super Elite. Promax brakes, profile hubs, SE tires. I was gonna change these tires out, but these are some nice tires. These are sweet. They'll work. Yeah. And then the tubes, I got Dan's Comp lightweight tubes for this bike. Every little thing helps, I guess. But she's killing it already on this bike. She loves this bike. This is her 20-inch PK Ripper. Also, she runs, you guys need to know, she runs Answer clips. K4, I don't know if that means anything, but these are Answer clips. And then she runs Shimano's on the 24-inch race bike, her 24 Shimano clips. But we have the flat pedals on there right now because we went to the pump track. So you don't want to clip in at a pump track because if you fall, you're done. So, oh, the headset is made by Krupi. It's a Krupi headset. Very nice headset. But this bike is badass. Here we got Maya's little Bronco, 20-inch. Got the crushed BMX band on there. Gotta have that. She's got the Bria basket. The Panther sticker on the inside. Don't know why that's in there. Somebody must have gave it to her. She's got the Amazon bells, probably like 10 bucks. S&M grips. Yeah, in pink. She's got the pink skin on her brake. The 7-inch, these might be 8. Let's Get It bars. Those came straight off my D-Blox Big Ripper. She got those on there. She loved those. Nice and big. She's got the Pro Max stem. Can't see it, but it's a Pro Max front loader. Pro Max front loader stem. Straight off the Floval Flyer. She's got the front light. Pink skins. And I threw on the pink, black and pink SE tires, Cub tires, 20-inch. Shadow chain, half link. Stock brakes. Pedals. I'm not sure what pedals those are. But got the pink pedals. Got the Origin 8 adjustable seat clamp. Stock brakes. Rear light. Wheelie pegs, black, SE. Same with the tires. Pink, 20-inch. SE, you already know. Got the SoCal Flyer seat on her Bronco. Got that in pink. And that's one of Maya's bikes. You. Last but not least, Maya's custom painted, powder coated Schwinn banana bike. Not sure what year, but it is old as hell. Got it from my dad, and he had it in storage. It was all beat up, so I restored it. Fresh powder coat from Young Guns in Rancho Cucamonga. Brand new seat, banana seat, brand new tires, 20-inch in the back, 16 in the front, I think, something like that. Just a cheap stock white chain, white pedals, and that's about it for this one. Got the streamers on there, threw the streamers on there for her. That's her little banana bike, old school, you know. And that's it. That's all the bikes. Yay!